Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today I wanted to share Doreen's newest digital kit that she has in her Etsy shop, and I will be doing a design team project with elements from the kit. And again, that's Doreen at oohlalavtgtreasures. I will make sure that all of her links are in my description box below. And this kit is a Parisienne Fashion Boutique. It also comes in pinks and neutrals. Now, I have chosen to do my design team project with the neutrals. So, I just printed out some elements that I thought I would use in my project for Doreen. I will have two coming up for the month of June. So, I will have this video post on June 1st, actually showcasing her or parts of the elements of her beautiful kit. And like I said, these will be two projects I will do sometime in June. I am filming ahead because I do have a major surgery scheduled for June 9th. And I have lots to do to get ready for that. So I am just trying to get some videos ahead for, you know, the couple of weeks after my surgery and all that. You know, I will be completely out of commission probably for 2 weeks. I'm hoping it doesn't take that long. But my actual recovery time is going to be 6 weeks. Yeah, so when you guys see this, it will be on, what will it be on? Thursday. Yeah, it will be on Thursday. Well, Tuesday was my last day at work until I go back the end of July. So yeah, so let's get right into this. So again, I did pick the neutral kit to do my, I know, surprise, surprise, I didn't pick the pink to do mine with, but actually she sent me both. And when I opened up the neutral, I had several ideas in mind right away for the neutral kit. It's just so beautiful. I mean, look at that. Look at those appliques back there. So, yeah, I just decided to go ahead and go with the neutral for this month's projects. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous kit. And these guys are vertical for a tall and skinny journal, if that's what you wish to do with them. I mean, look at how gorgeous. Absolutely love it. So that right there is just a few of the actual journal pages that I printed out. Again, guys, these kits are massive and there's lots of elements to them. These right here are the bows, because I knew I wanted to use those, and then the words. So I have the words here. Look at how gorgeous. And then this right here are some of the postcards. The neutral. Love her postcards. They are so much fun to layer lace and appliques on. This is from the ephemera kit. This could be like a tall tag or a belly band, either one. These as well. Just absolutely love those. I went ahead and backed them so we'd have us some pretties on the back. And then these right here, guys, I actually printed the wrong way. But we will find a way to use these. That just goes to show, you know, the other ones were printed portrait. These were printed landscape. And if you do them landscape, you know, it just gives you a smaller element to work with. So definitely still usable. And I'm in the process, guys, of saving all of my scrap paper here to actually try my hand at some handmade paper. So again, this is Doreen's new kit, and it can be found in her Etsy shop. I cannot wait to get started on a couple of ideas that I have. So you guys go over there and check out Doreen in her shop. I will make sure that all of her links are in my description box below, along with our fellow designers. Thank you guys for joining me today. I love you guys, and have a great day. Bye-bye.